Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. All right, so previously we talked about some if, right? But today we're going to be talking about some ifs. So if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe and turn on your notification bell in order to get all the updates. You'll be the first to get all the video updates we're going to be doing. So for all the returning subscribers and all those who are watching my videos and you are learning something from it, thank you very much for always stopping by to listen to what we are going to talk about. So for today, let's dive in to talk about the some ifs, right? So let's go. All right, so look at my data previously in the last class. So if you have not watched the other video for the some if, just click on the link or go through my my videos. You're going to see it. Then you watch that one also. Okay, so in the previous video we talked about some if, and we explained that some if is very simple. It's just you trying to get trying to get the summation of a particular value that is inside other values, or a particular product that is embedded inside other products. That's just what it means. Okay, now in some ifs you are going to be putting other conditions. There are other conditions to it. Okay, so let's assume that you needed a robusta coffee. All right, you need to calculate all the sum of robusta coffee consumed in US, or all the robusta coffee consumed in Ireland, or all the robusta coffee consumed in UK. That is what it means. Okay, so you see there are three conditions. You can do more. Some ifs has to give you more conditions to be able to calculate what you need. So that is what we do. If you remember all the things I taught at the previous video, you will now use that same thing to put here. The only thing that is different is that there are other conditions that are remaining. Okay, so let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. All right, so in this data, let's do some ifs. Okay, hold on a little. Let me clean all this. Okay, let me clean all this. All right, so okay, hold on. All right, so now let's do that. So let's say some ifs. We want to get a condition of the total sales of Arabica coffee in United States. Okay, in the United States. So that's what we want to calculate right now. So how do we do that? Just put your equal sign. I'm going to show you other ways you can do it after the first one. Put your equal sign, then put your some ifs. Remember, some ifs. Okay, once you put your equal sign, then put your some ifs, press your tab button, then that's it. So now you put the sum range. You see the difference here now. The sum range comes first, but the other one, what comes first was the range. That's the basket that comes up. So you go to the sum range. This is the sum range that we're working on. You put your comma. Then the next one is criteria 1. What is the criteria 1? The criteria 1 is that is going to be Arabica. Okay. Then criteria 2. Okay, sorry, criteria range. I made a mistake here. All right, so criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 should be this. Okay, you put the range. All right, then put your equal sign. A comma. Then what is the criteria itself? What are we trying to get from here? We are trying to get the Arabica. Okay, you put your comma. Then criteria 2 range. You come to country and highlight all of them. All right, put your comma. Okay, all right, highlight all of them, put your comma. Okay, then what is the criteria itself? We are looking for the United States. Okay, so when you do that, put your close and send. So it has calculated, giving us the total sales of Arabica coffee consumed in the United States. Okay, so let's try the one of Ireland, so that we'll drive home the points. So in the one of Ireland, we're going to use another method to do that. Okay, we're going to use another method to get it done. All right, so this is what we're going to do. Put your equal sign, put your sum ifs, right? Once you put your sum ifs, press Ctrl A, it is going to open a dialog box for you. So once a dialog box is opened, right, put the sum range. Remember what we said before, your sum range is very important. Then the sum range comes. So you click on the sum range. All right, put the sum range is already entered. Now, what is the first criteria range? The first criteria range we are using is the coffee type name. Okay, once you put that, oh, okay, this is the first. Then you come to criteria range, you click it, make sure you click it. Okay, then you put the criteria range. Now, what is the criteria? We are calculating for which one? We're checking for Arabica coffee that is used in Ireland. Okay, we'll click on Ireland, then come to criteria range 2. You go to the country. All right, then criteria 2 is what? Ireland. All right, so with this, you see it has already calculated it already. Okay, that's it. Another way to do that. So just press your OK. Okay, so once you press your OK, it will tabulate it for you. Simple. It's very simple. Okay, now the next thing we're going to talk about, let me show you another way to do this. Another way to do this, because I will always show you now choose the one that works best for you. Okay, so let's look at the another way of doing this. We're going to use UK this time around, the United Kingdom. Okay, so what you're going to do, just come here, click on this function icon, right? Click on the function icon. Is going to show you all the function. Some ifs. You click on go, it's okay. You click on go, it comes out. You click on OK, so it will open the dialog box for you. The same thing we did. You put the sum range. The sum range comes first. The next thing that comes in is the criteria range. Okay, criteria range we are using, we are using coffee, right? Coffee type name. Then the criteria, we are still calculating the Arabica. Okay, use the Arabica. Then the other criteria range you need is the country, you put it. Then the other one that we need also is the UK. You have to look for the UK. Okay, I've seen it. Look for the UK, and click on it. That's it. Okay, so you see, with the sum if, we're able to do more calculations. You'll be able to put in things here and get them right. So in the first one we did, we just typed out the formula ourselves. The second one we did, we had to use the dialog box. Okay, the third one we did, we have to click on the function insert function icon. With that, we're able to calculate what we did. I hope this makes sense to you, right? So go and practice, learn very well. So if you are getting value from this channel, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that you always get all our nuggets at every single time. Also remember, go to the description box. You're going to see we have a lot of courses that are going to help you to build yourself digitally, build your digital skill in a lot of things, in affiliate marketing, in content creation, in video editing, and lots more. Right, there is forex trading, there are a lot of them. All you need to do, just go to the description box. You're going to see a store link there. Click on that store link, then you access all of them at a discount rate. All right, so that you can build yourself this year and become so better at it. All right, so that's it. See you in the next video.